vegetables diced up, our peppers, and here's our onions and our tomatoes. On our onions, the original video I showed you in the beginning, I used 2 onions less because I felt like this is enough onions. If you like more onions, you can definitely add more, but this is the amount of onions you want for the amount of squash and our rice here is still sitting. So we're gonna start sauteing our onions first, and then I'll tell you when we're gonna go ahead and drain the rice. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add our olive oil, and we are gonna turn on our heat. We're gonna turn our heat on to medium, and we're gonna add our 1 cup of olive oil. Stir the onions around in the olive oil, and we're going to saute them until they get a little golden, and then we can go ahead and add our peppers. I'm going to go ahead and add about a teaspoon of salt to our onions. We're going to give it a little mix. Onions for about 5 minutes. They need probably another 5 more minutes, but they are starting to wilt a little bit. Go ahead and mix it all up together and get the peppers sauteed. Okay, so our peppers are almost ready. I've been sauteing them for about 7 or 8 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and add our tomato paste and our hot and mild pepper paste. Okay, I went ahead and drained our rice, and we're gonna go ahead and add it. Our rice mixture is a little bit light in color, so I'm going to go ahead and add another teaspoon of the pepper paste. I can smell that mint and the peppers. It is all coming together. You want to taste your mixture just to see what the salt content tastes like. finished. This has been cooking for about 30 minutes and it is ready. And now this is ready to stuff in our hollowed squash and eggplant. We're just gonna have to let it cool for a little bit so we won't burn our fingers.